Can you imagine waking up to a world where the ground beneath you is shaking violently? Picture this: a supervolcanic eruption, not unlike the one that happened at Yellowstone National Park some 640,000 years ago. The sheer power and magnitude of such an event could potentially blanket the Earth in an ash cloud, causing a volcanic winter. Or consider an asteroid similar to the one that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. A massive asteroid impact could lead to a global catastrophe, causing fires, tsunamis, and a dust cloud that could block out the sun for months or even years. These geological cataclysms, while seemingly far-fetched, are not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Our planet has experienced them in the past, and could very well face them again in the future. The Earth's crust is a dynamic, ever-changing landscape that holds the potential for catastrophic change. What if tomorrow the polar ice caps melted and sea levels rose to cover our cities? Imagine, if you will, a world where the climate has changed so drastically, our ecosystems can no longer adapt. This is the reality of accelerated climate change. As global temperatures rise, the delicate balance of life on Earth teeters on the brink. Coral reefs bleach and die, forests become tinderboxes sparking rampant wildfires, and droughts parch the land, threatening crops and water supply. The domino effect of these changes risks collapsing entire ecosystems, endangering the vast array of species that inhabit them, including us. And it's not just about losing our natural wonders or facing harsher weather, it's about losing the intricate web of life that supports us. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, all are under threat. Climate change is not just a theory, it's a ticking time bomb, and the countdown to 0 hour? It's already begun. Have you ever considered that we could be the architects of our own demise? In the grand tapestry of Earth's history, there are dark threads woven by mass extinction events. The Permian-Triassic extinction, often referred to as the Great Dying, wiped out about 90% of all species. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction saw the end of the dinosaurs, opening the way for mammals to rise. These cataclysms, caused by natural disasters, changed the course of life on Earth. However, the potential sixth extinction might be different. Human activities are accelerating the loss of biodiversity at an alarming rate. From deforestation to pollution, from overfishing to climate change, we are disturbing the balance of ecosystems. Species are disappearing faster than ever before, and we are just beginning to understand the ripple effects of these losses. We are, in a way, writing our own chapter in Earth's history, and it's a grim tale. Mass extinctions have happened before, and they could happen again. Could our own sun, the giver of life, become our ultimate destroyer? This question might sound dramatic, but it's a realistic scenario astronomers consider when thinking about the distant future of our solar system. Our sun, a ball of hot, glowing gases, is in a state of constant nuclear fusion. It's burning hydrogen to create helium, and this process releases the energy that makes life possible on Earth. But eventually, the sun will run out of hydrogen. When this happens, it will start fusing helium into heavier elements, and that's when things get really interesting. This process will cause the sun to swell into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, maybe even Earth. But will it go supernova, violently exploding and wiping out all life on Earth? Fortunately, astronomers believe that our sun doesn't have enough mass to go supernova. Instead, it's predicted to shed its outer layers and leave behind a white dwarf. Our sun's fate is a reminder of the fragility of our existence. From religious prophecies to scientific predictions, why are we so fascinated by the end of the world? The allure of apocalypse theories might lie in their inherent drama, but they also offer a mirror to our deepest fears and hopes. In the realm of religion, we find prophecies of the world's end. The Book of Revelation in the Christian Bible, for instance, paints vivid pictures of cataclysmic events, while the Norse mythology speaks of Ragnarok, a series of disastrous events culminating in the world's rebirth. Switching gears to science, we encounter predictions based on observable phenomena. For example, astronomers warn of potential asteroid impacts, while climatologists caution about the effects of unchecked global warming. Then there are theories that straddle the line between science and speculation. Take the singularity theory, which posits that artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. Whether grounded in fact or fiction, apocalyptic theories force us to confront our mortality. As the universe expands, what does this mean for our tiny blue planet? This question brings us face to face with the vastness of the cosmos. In this ever-expanding universe, galaxies are moving away from each other at an accelerating pace. You might wonder, how does this cosmic journey affect Earth's destiny? Well, as the universe expands, it's also cooling down. In billions of years, the stars will burn out, galaxies will drift apart, and the universe will plunge into a state known as the Big Freeze. This phase, however, is so far in the future that our sun would have long ceased to exist, taking Earth with it. But let's not get lost in cosmic melancholy. The universe's expansion doesn't pose any immediate threat to our planet. It's a reminder of the vast cosmic dance we're a part of, an echo of the Big Bang that set everything into motion. In the grand scheme of the universe, Earth is but a speck of dust. What if our relentless pursuit of progress leads to our downfall? Picture this: a world where our natural resources are depleted to such an extent that the biosphere, the global sum of all ecosystems, collapses. This isn't a dystopian fantasy, but a potential reality if we continue to exploit our planet unsustainably. The biosphere consists of all the living organisms on Earth, including humans, and the natural resources they depend on. It's intricately interconnected, a delicate balance of give and take. But what happens when the balance tips? When our forests are stripped bare, our water sources polluted, and our air filled with harmful chemicals? We risk a biosphere collapse, a scenario where our ecosystems fail and life as we know it ceases to exist. This is not a swift event but a slow, creeping decay, a silent catastrophe that unfolds over decades, even centuries. The consequences? Dwindling food supplies, loss of biodiversity, and ultimately, the end of human civilization. Our biosphere is delicate. We must take care to preserve it. Could our future lie not on Earth, but amongst the stars? As we face a multitude of challenges on our home planet, the prospect of space exploration and colonization becomes increasingly relevant. We've already begun to take significant strides towards this ambitious goal, with missions to Mars at the forefront of our exploratory efforts. The Red Planet, with its striking similarities to Earth, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for extraterrestrial human life. Various space agencies and private companies are currently developing technologies to make this dream a reality. From habitat modules and life support systems to sustainable food production methods, we're gearing up for a future where humans may call Mars, or even other celestial bodies, home. Yet these endeavors are not just about survival. They also aim to expand our knowledge and understanding of the universe. As we venture into the cosmos, we're reminded of our fragile existence and the importance of preserving our home planet. Space may hold the key to our survival, but it also serves as a reminder of our responsibility to Earth. Our Earth is constantly changing. How will these changes shape our future? Let's dive into this by investigating geological cycles. The Earth is like a living, breathing entity, with its own rhythms and cycles. One of these is the continental drift. Over millions of years, the continents shift and move like pieces of a grand jigsaw puzzle. They collide and separate, forming mountains, valleys, and oceans in their wake. This cycle of continental drift has been taking place for billions of years and will continue into the future. These geological cycles have a profound impact on the Earth's climate, ecosystems, and even life forms. As the continents drift, climate zones shift, species evolve, and ecosystems adapt. The Earth's surface is continually reshaped, creating new habitats and challenges for life. Understanding these cycles is crucial to predicting the Earth's future. The Earth's geological cycles are a testament to our planet's dynamic nature. What does the prospect of the end of the Earth mean for our understanding of existence? This question prompts us to delve deeply into our philosophical understandings. The concept of an end suggests a boundary, a limit to our existence. It challenges us to question the purpose of life, our role in the universe, and the meaning of our actions. If our planet were to meet an untimely end, would our existence be rendered meaningless? Or perhaps does it generate a newfound appreciation for life, urging us to cherish every moment, knowing that it's finite? These interpretations, while contrasting, are central to our philosophical musings on existence. Moreover, it encourages us to ponder on humanity's resilience and adaptability. Can we as a species transcend the constraints of our home planet and continue our story elsewhere? These pressing questions, stirred by the thought of Earth's end, compel us to redefine our understanding of existence. The end of the Earth is more than a physical event. It's a philosophical concept that challenges our understanding of life and existence.